Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. Today I'm talking about some of my recent sales and what I didn't do to make those sales happen. Most eBay resellers say that you have to list daily in order to sell. And I don't know if this is true since in the last 4 to 6 weeks, I haven't listed anything new. But in the last 4 days, I've sold 6 items. So let's take a look at some of the items that I did sell. This Land Rover mug that I found at a thrift store for $1, I just sold for $22.99. This Pyrex measuring cup, I think cost about $1.99 when I bought it, and I only sold it for $12. But again, things are moving, so that was a good thing. This Pyrex reverse handle glass pitcher, I had for probably a year, and I bought it for $2.99, and this one sold for $34.99. So that was a good flip. For a while there, I started buying Plush, and I thought I was going to sell them pretty quickly, and I never did. And I have a bag full in the garage that I thought everyone sells this stuff so easily, and for me, it really didn't happen. However, I did sell this stuffed wolf that I bought for 50 cents at a thrift store in Indiana. I turned it around and I sold it for $20. So that was a really good flip. The other thing that sold this week was this Swiss Gear backpack. It was in really great condition. I bought it at Savers probably about a year ago I paid up for it, $12, which I didn't really want to spend that much, but I did sell this for $38 this week. I also sold a pair of Ken Edwards stoneware plates. This is an American artist who lives in Mexico, and I bought these plates at the Junior League thrift shop last year. I believe they were supposed to be $15 each, and I didn't realize until I got home that I was charged $25 for one of them. What are you gonna do? You know, you live and learn. So the good thing was, a buyer contacted me a few days ago saying they wanted to buy both plates. I had them listed each for $49.99. She asked if I would sell them for $45 each and then combine the shipping, which I agreed to. So I spent $40 for both of them. I sold them for $90, and then after fees, I think I made about $35. I'm not sure. This pair of Rydell crystal stemless wine glasses just sold. I bought them for 99 cents each, and I just sold them for $22. And finally, about 6 months ago, I drove from New York to Indiana, and along the way, I did stop in some great places for some thrift stops. I stopped at American Thrift in Passaic, New Jersey. There were 2 quilts that I saw. One was a shabby chic rosebud quilt, which for some reason, I just didn't feel like it was going to sell. I don't know what it was that came over me. That's a really good brand to sell, but I just kind of said, no, I'm just gonna get one. Instead of buying the shabby chic quilt, I picked up this double wedding ring quilt, which is hand and machine sewn. And it's approximately a queen size one. I did put the measurements on the listing and everything. I did have a lot of interest over the last few months, people just looking at it. I would send offers. Yesterday, I noticed that someone was watching it. So I sent them an offer, and this morning I woke up to them paying for it. It was $8 when I bought it. I ended up selling it for $125. Really happy with that. Plus shipping, they will pay for shipping. So I'm going to pack this up right now and ship it out. As I've said many times before, everything sells eventually. It could sit in your inventory for a year, 2 years, who knows how long, but suddenly someone will just out of the blue buy it. That happened with the Land Rover mug that I was kind of surprised. I bought 6 months ago for $1 and turned around and sold it for $23. There's some good profit to be made on unique items, definitely. And I am trying to get away from the glassware and the breakables and lean more towards things like linens and, non-breakables, basically. things that are easier to pack, ones that are very good quality and highly sought after. Thanks for watching, Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.